Hi friends, today we are going to study exterior angle of a triangle and its property. Do you know what is exterior angle? Okay, let us discuss. First, look at the figure. This is a triangle ABC, and produce one of its sides BC. Is it? Then observe the angle. Which angle is formed over here? Angle ACD formed at the point C. Which angle is formed over here? Angle ACD formed at the point C. Is it? This angle lies in the exterior of triangle ABC. This angle lies in the exterior of triangle ABC. Is it? That means angle ACD lies exterior of triangle ABC. We call it an exterior angle. What will call exterior angle of the triangle ABC formed at C. Is it? Now you understood what is exterior angle. This is an exterior angle. Okay. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Understood? That means what? An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Look at the figure. In this figure, triangle ABC, which is the interior opposite angle? That is angle A plus angle B. Is it? Which is the exterior angle? Angle ACD. So, angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Understood? This is the exterior angle of triangle and its property. Okay. Okay, we will do one exercise. Okay. How to find the angle of X over here? Look at the figure over here. They are given over here. X. Find the value of X. And only two angles they are given. One is 50 degree and the other external angle is 110 degree. And one interior angle is 50 degree. So, we already know exterior angle and its property is what? Sum of interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle. Is it? Sum of interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle. So, in this figure, which is the interior opposite angle? One is 50 degree, other is unknown interior angle. Is it? So, how we will do? Sum of the interior opposite angle means we will write 50 degree plus one interior angle we do not know. So, we will write X is equal to, which is the exterior angle? That is 110 degree. Is it? Then how we will find X? X is equal to 110 degree minus 50 degree. Is it? So, what is the value of X? 110 degree minus 60 degree means we will get 60 degree. Is it? This is the unknown interior angle. Okay. If we add these two interior opposite angle, we will get the same exterior angle. So let us prove 50 already we have interior angle and the value is 60 degree. If we add these two 50 degree plus 60 degree, we will get 110 degree. Okay. Okay, next we will do another question. Find the value of unknown interior angle of x. Here is the figure. What they are given over here. Find the value of x and the external angle they are given over here 125 degree. And in this figure, did you know which angle is this? This is right angle. Is it? So we already know sum of the interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. In this case, which are the interior angle? X plus 90 degree. This is right angle plus 90 degree is equal to external angle is 125 degree. This is right angle, that's why it came 90 degree. Okay. So how to find the value of x? 125 degree minus 90 degree. So if we subtract, what we will get? We will get 35 degree. So what is the value of x? 35 degree. Next is find the value of unknown exterior angle. Look at the figure. They are given over here. Interior opposite angle are 50 degree and 70 degree. Then how to find the exterior angle? We already know sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Is it? So which is the interior opposite angle over here? That is 50 degree and 70 degree. So sum means we should add 50 degree plus 70 degree is equal to x. 50 degree plus 70 degree means 120 degree. So what is the value of external angle? 120 degree. Next we are going to study angle sum property of a triangle. What is angle sum property? The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is the angle sum property. Look at the figure over here. Find the value of x in the figure. How to find the value of x in the figure? Look at the figure PQR. They are given over here two angles. Angle Q is 47 degree and angle R is 52 degree. How to find the value of x? We already know the sum of the total measure of the three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. So what we will do? Angle P plus 47 degree plus 52 degree is equal to 180 degree. Is it? So angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 47 minus 52 degree. Is it? So angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 99 degree. So what we will get? 180 minus 99 degree is 81 degree. Understood? If we add angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, we will get 180 degree. This is the angle sum property. Okay. Today we studied exterior angle and its property and angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. Thank you.